We did a video like this 3 years ago, and what we did is we started from Half Moon Resort and we walked all the way to the end of West End. We're not staying in Half Moon Resort this time, so we're gonna start right here. It's 3 years later. Hopefully we've got some better video, better editing skills, better camera. This in front of me is Jackson's Dive Center. This is where we do our diving. This will be a long video, so I may be speeding it up in areas. Half Moon Bay here to the right. This is on a Thursday afternoon, so it shouldn't be as busy as the weekend, but it's still gonna be busy. There are a lot of new things here since we were here last. We are staying right there, right through that pathway. We've got sundowners here on the right. This seems like it's a lot of expats here. Road up there is where the intersection is to go to West Bay or back to the airport or the other ways. No shortage of dive shops here. To do a video while it started getting dark so you can see how lively it is. It gets even livelier after dark, and it also gets even livelier when the cruise ships come in. This is the Rusty Fish, and it is made out of recycled trash and things that they find in the ocean, which is really cool.
The local pub.
That is new since we were here last. This on the left is new since we were here last. If you want pizza, this looks like your place. Water taxi on your right. The tiki cup here. Filet-Loos. This is our favorite place.
See what they got cooking. Pork chops, chicken, kebabs.
Yeah. Anthony's Chicken and More. This place is fabulous too. Roatan Chocolate Factory and Cafe. This is Creole's. That was Harry's Hideaway on the right. So we're at where the pavement ends.
But there is more.
It goes on down here for quite a ways. This road here, I believe it goes up to probably West Bay, but honestly I'm not real sure. We've never went that way. Hey, Boopy. We'll just go a little bit further down here. What are you doing? No, this dog is like nipping at us.
We don't got that.
just end this, turn around and go back the other way to eat. Gonna leave you with a little bit of the sun setting.